And then 3P, how many? 3. 3.
Even though school is done for the day, the afternoon is not over for these Frederick Douglass High School students. Every day at 3:15 p.m., when the school bell rings, these friends meet at the exit doors to discuss the plan for how they will be getting to the gym for their group lift.
I enjoy coming here because the progress is so addicting, and I just love lifting with my friends. The energy is off the charts.
That's Mayor's like family.
I think they're wonderful people and that they got a good future.
A special bond has been created through working out between all of these kids. They go nearly every single day together, and they try to align all of their workout schedules to ensure that they can do the same exercises together.
You don't have to look at the camera, Garrett.
But even if they aren't doing the same exercise, they are still motivating each other to keep going.
It just changed everything, and now it's something I look forward to every day. You know, coming here, socializing, getting a good pump. You know, it's a highlight of my day.
It really just helped me grow in so many ways. And like honestly, when I first started coming here, I was pretty sad. I didn't have too many friends. Like I didn't have much in life that I loved so much. But once I discovered how much I love pushing some weight around and like just getting there, pushing weight off my chest, you know, it's just something great. And it helps. And other than like helping me get stuff off my mind by being able to think it through while I lift and relieve stress by throwing some weight around, it also helps me grow physically.
If one can't find a ride that day, the group makes sure that they can find some sort of transportation. They always make sure that no one is left behind.
Deadlift has to be above like 5 minutes. See power training
Every single Friday, after a long week of school and pushing themselves past their limits at the gym, the group goes out to dinner to celebrate their hard work.
11 rolls. 1.
Moving forward, they're going to try and start a lifting club at school that starts in November to inspire and create more memories and bonds with the next generation of future lifters.